What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to keep yourself in the free plan limit in the Freshsales CRM platform. So for that, the process is pretty simple and easy to the point. The links are attached in the description below. Make sure you guys check it out. So these are the things. What are included in the free plan, but there is no such free plan in it because it comes with a 12-day trial period. Once you have consumed that trial period, then you have to buy the plan. Either you go with the growth plan, which is $9 monthly, which is billed monthly but billed annually, but it's for $9 monthly basis. And then comes the pro plan that is for $39 and enterprise that is for the 59. So it includes Kanban view for the contacts, contact lifecycle stages, built-in chat, emails, template, and all that stuff. If you go ahead and compare it with the other ones, you'll be able to better understand it. Like there are the contact management option. These are the essential ones. But there is no auto profile enrichment option unless you go to the enterprise level. But once it goes down, you'll see that in the sales activity, custom sales activity and sales dashboard is missing from the free plan. And then when we go further down, then you'll be able to see that for the CRM customization, unique fields, record tags, product catalogs, sales emails, template tags, basic workflows, advanced workflows, custom fields, and auto sign. All these things are missing in the free plan. And then when you go to the sales pipeline management, you'll see that the collaboration with the Slack, R&D use multiple sales pipeline, quota, sales team, multi currencies, all these things are missing from the free plan. Data administration, only data import and export, migration from the other CRMs are available, otherwise file storage and the recycling bin is not available for any sort of user in the free plan. So these are all the stats that you guys can keep going through and you'll understand better what are the limitations for the free plan. I have attached the link in the bio description. Make sure you guys can check it out. Take care. Bye bye.